wants latkes? Crispy potato latkes are total comfort food to me. I love to eat them, but I don't love standing over the stove to fry them one by one. These vegan baked latkes solve that problem, but don't give up any of that crispy deliciousness. Start by grating your potatoes and your onions. You can do this using a box grater, or you can use your food processor. Then you need to get the excess liquid out of the potatoes and onions. This is key to getting the latkes the right texture. I recommend wrapping them in a kitchen towel and basically just wringing them out over a bowl to get that liquid out. Then transfer them to a mixing bowl and add flour and baking powder, garlic and onion powders, cornstarch, salt and pepper, and flax meal. Mix that up until it's well combined, and don't worry if at this point you don't have a cohesive dough. It should basically still be like shredded potato. Scoop the potato mixture up into 8 equal-sized patties and flatten them out on a lined baking sheet. You can spray with oil if you want even crispier results. Bake for 20 minutes, then flip them over, spray with oil again, and bake for 8 to 12 more minutes until your latkes are golden brown. You can serve these up with unsweetened applesauce, vegan sour cream, or both. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these baked vegan latkes. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!